And even in my life, when I started working on, so in my initial days, पंखा बंद कर दिया. I was totally kind of crazy person. Though I didn't have any knowledge about any grammar rule or anything, I started just copying other YouTubers for the sake of making videos on my channel, because somehow I wanted to earn lots of money to help my husband financially, because when my husband was totally bedridden, so it was really compulsory for me, mandatory for me to earn money. So somehow I got the courage to start YouTube channel. I started posting videos, but those because of those videos, I found my confidence is always high. My confidence was always on the top of sky, and because of which now I am here. I think if my videos went viral just because of my confidence, people really praised me because of my confidence. So when it comes to sharing your insights, only your confidence matters a lot. What kind of words you are using, what kind of idioms and phrases you are using, uh, no one is going to show your concern about the idioms and phrases. If your purpose of being connected with somebody is fulfilled, so it means yes, you are a very great speaker. And there's nothing like fluency. There is nothing like fluency. Fluency is all about if you are able to express your thoughts, but you really want to speak to others. If you can speak, it means you are a fluent speaker. Fluency is not like we have to speak like express train.
Yes, ma'am, yes. But ma'am, now you have become more fluent.
Yes.
You always use advanced vocabs and idiom phrases also.
I think
really
day by day, because it's been 3 years. It's about to complete 3 years. Ever since I am working on my communication skills, so now it is the time to work on everything. If you really want to upgrade yourself, so we should work on everything. Means there are 6 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. If you want to go from A1 to A2 level, then you should work on some grammar rules or some idioms, phrases. Everything are needed. Everything is needed. So why shouldn't I? I should work on everything. There's no doubt. But for a beginner should not do this. Otherwise, he would find himself only confused. Should I use the advanced word or should I go for the basic one? So first of all, you should get into the habit of speaking. Try to think in English a lot.
Yes.
So that you can be familiar with this language easily.
Yes, because ma'am, I know some advanced word and idioms phrases also. But when I speak, I never use those words.
Okay.
Yes, same. Yeah. I know that words, but I'm not.
You know what is our problem? We know the word, as I mentioned, many words I mentioned. Frugal I told you, prudent I told you. Important word के कई सारे सिनोनिम हैं, जैसे important, crucial, ठीक है, essential, necessary, vital, pivotal, बहुत सारी वर्ड्स हैं. Significant, imperative. सो इट्स टोटली अप टू यू कि आप उनको कैसे वन बाय वन यूज़ करते हो. अदरवाइज मुझे पता है सारे वर्ड्स आई नो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट के अदर अलग अलग सिनोनिम्स क्या हैं, बट मोस्टली वी यूज ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क. But I use imperative as well. I can use significant. I can use crucial, essential. Every word I can use. So we should use. But if you are a beginner, then you should use only the basic one. But if you are at some level, now you are very you can speak, you can express your thoughts explicitly before others. So you should go for the advanced words. Otherwise, don't bother about only advanced words.
We can say like that education plays a vital role in our growth and
development. Yes, education plays a vital role in our growth and development. Good one.
Plays a vital role in our lives.
Speaking is the most crucial step in the journey of speaking English fluently.
Great word, great sentence for us.
Here we have used crucial.
Earlier, I understand crucial means any difficulties or any uh, difficult like that word. But whenever I started to saw the YouTube video or conversational video, so I cleared about that crucial means important.
Yes, I think in the very beginning sometimes we get confused, but we find when you find a word again and again, and उसकी मीनिंग जाने बिना आपका काम चल ही नहीं सकता, so you should go for this. Okay, what is the meaning of shubh? How do we say shubh in English? Do you know? Shubh.
Say clearly, ma'am.
शुभ शुभ
I didn't get.
हिंदी का एक वर्ड है शुभ. शलगम वाला श को छोटे की मात्रा भ. शुभ लाभ आपने पढ़ा होगा ना, शुभ लाभ. तो शुभ को क्या बोलते हैं?
हैप्पी.
मैम ऑस्पिशियस होएगा मैम.
ऑस्पिशियस इज द
ऑस्पिशियस अच्छा शगुन बुरा शगुन होता है ना. यस, गुड ओमन बैड ओमन.
ओपन.
यस, सो ऐसे ही वर्ड्स हमको याद करने हैं.
मैम could you repeat what exactly are you saying, like bad omen.
Omen, OMEN, omen. It's omen. OMEN, good omen, bad omen.
Auspicious is the very correct word for the soup, and other word is pious, pavitra.
Pious, PIOUS, pious. So we already know many words, but when it comes to speaking, we just forget everything.
Our problem is that framing sentences is our problem.
So, what are your basic problem mean while speaking?
Started to when I go to sleep in my sleeping time, I make the imaginary story in my mind and convert to in the English line to line. I started before.
Means nowadays you are working on becoming good at spinning stories.
Imaginary story.
Yes.
Somewhere it relate any picture, any story, any serial like that. It is very helpful for me.
Even I have also found myself.
Conversational videos and Sunita ma'am's conversational videos it is very.
I think I always admire her a lot because the way she speaks, I really admire her a lot. Especially the place she belongs to. I love really mountains.
Yeah. She is very humble and down to earth person like you.
Even there is one more person, Neha Di. Neha,
yes.
Actually, Neha Di has given me this idea to start a group.
Earlier, when I started my journey, only I listened you and Sunita ma'am and Neha Rana ma'am's conversational videos, and I learned. I can say not very proudly, but I learned framing sentences like that. I'm very fluent on CV app, but there are some redundant people. It is the new word for me.
Redundant.
They wasting their time and I don't comfortable there, so I quit the CV.
And when you get connected with a boy, so they just interested. If you tell them that you are a homemaker, then they don't show their interest in talking to you?
Firstly, they asked, "How old are you?" So it is the very shameful questions for the learners.
They start buttering you up if you give them information like you are very young.
Yeah, somewhere the people says my voice is like 30 to 35 years old. It is very big compliment for me. But you
This is
people
the
are
benefit
so
of
very
talking. This is the benefit of talking without showing your face.
yeah. But sometimes the good people are met there, I can say, but I'm not very comfortable there.
I think when we become familiar with some people with whom we can share many things, with whom we can feel very easy, so we should go for only those people because
Here we are homemaker ladies like that. We have same personal problem. We have same perspective also. So here we connected to deeply to each other.
yes, yes,
So, ma'am, this group is really safe and convenient for ladies.
Because women group is safe for.
yes.
One time I downloaded Ace Fluency app, but I tried to connect. Then I connected with a male person, so I disconnected.
No matter
but this
who
is
is connected, but the right person is connected.
Yeah, I just feared about that.